Hello everyone, this video is about how to use the RTK Daughter. First, open the RTK base station and the RTK Daughter. Check the LED. Then go to the agri-assistant. Connect the RTK Daughter. Click the RTK Daughter Bluetooth name.
Not connecting.
Click Run Plane. Then go to the setting, Extra Mode, Daughter Device. Set the RTK work mode as Radio Dot. Wait for the fixed type is 4. Now the fixed type become 4. We can go to plan the plot. Click New Plot. Choose the first one, handheld RTK point device. Name your plot. Confirm. Hold your RTK Daughter, go to the first point of your plot, click boundary point.
Add boundary point successfully.
Then go to the second point. Second point.
Add boundary point successfully.
The third point.
Add boundary point successfully.
The fourth point.
Add boundary point successfully.
Click Save. Now you can check the plot you just finished. Okay, the instruction is finished.